In the previous lecture, we have seen how to create different users and give them different permissions. In this lecture, we'll see how to use that permission. Hi, once again, welcome back to the course. And in this section, we'll see Django forms. So, what are the forms? Here, Django already provides the forms in its view. Yeah. In the previous section we have created models, and here are the models which we have created. Django already provides the forms view in its admin panel. If we want to see our site, we can see it by hit the URL by home. So this is our site, and we can also, let me open the new tab /admin. Okay, cool. So Django already provides us its forms. Here, this is the delete form. We can also delete a user by just selecting it. It will pop up another message that we are sure. Yes, I'm sure. So this successfully deleted the user. So Django already provides the form view, but in its Django admin. What we have to do if we want to create our own view or our own form in our custom view, not in the Django admin. So let me just give an example. We need to create one new file named as forms.py, and just we need to import Django import forms, and we need to create one class request. So here we need to define class meta. This is the syntax, and if we want to import our model over here, just .models import and our register view. Okay, fair enough. So we need to define our model over here, and fields. So here field name, which we have defined over there, last name. Okay, cool. And we need to define in our views. Fair enough. Def form underscore view request and form. But before that we need to import it from .models import. Here we will keep this syntax as it is, and here we'll pass the context. How to pass the context? Just like form, and pass the variable over here. Okay, cool. And just form.html. Let me create this new file in the templates. Just save it, form.html, and close this one, and okay, h1. Just let me check once. Let me define this view in our URL, and okay. So yes, fair enough. Let me see, is there any error or not? blog/form view. Nope. Yes, there is some error. Form view is not defined. We haven't imported. Don't forget this. Check it again in the form view. Great. So we are in our form view. We can also define our forms and in our template by just providing it. Okay, li. Let me just, okay, and we need to pass the for loop for the for object form. So we need to pass it, and again we can object.name. Let me check it once. We need to end the for loop, and for this is the syntax. You can go through the syntax on the Google. And okay, let me check it once. Is there any error or not? In this lecture we have seen the how to use that permission. In next lecture we'll see how to perform form validations.